Welcome to my green messy kitchen. Today I'm going to make really simple leafy green juice for our morning juice from wild plants, which we just collected a few hours ago. And so I have this recipe ready for you. We have like here the nettle. We'll be talking about
stinging
nettle. We'll be talking about this plant and all of these plants later in our videos if you will be interested. And we have here another one, which is honey.
Ground ivy.
Ground ivy. Then we have this one, which is very, very anti-inflammatory. It's stuffed with minerals and vitamins.
Ground elder.
Ground elder as well. You can put it also in a smoothies. We'll talk about it later. Oh, I got one maple leaf just for fun. And then we have clover in English. Am I saying it correctly?
Clover.
Clover. Okay, here we took also some with flowers,
Nice.
so it's nice. And I met one dandelion, so
Just one.
And
Right.
I met a few garlic mustard, which we can also talk about later. So this is all we are going to put into our juice.
And it's all from the forest.
All from the forest. We have 2 apples, which are tart apples, green apples. We have cucumber, organic, a lemon, which I already peeled, and a little bit of ginger. So now we can go just juice it.
All right. What juice are you using?
Yeah, we are using slow juicer, but you can use whatever you like.
Luna, what are you doing here? It's a really small kitchen, but dog has to be there.
Yeah, she has to make sure that we are doing it correctly. She's our chef. Right? So let's do the green juice.
Great.
Okay. So for early morning, this green juice is just perfect, packed with minerals and vitamins, and it's great because it's awakening all the cells in the body. The stinging nettle is really burning my hands. I'm trying to pick it up with other leaves. But it's quite healthy. You don't have to be scared that stinging nettle is dangerous or something. It was actually used in saunas, and people were using it for skin, so it makes better blood circulation. And remember to put mixed leafy greens and tart apples or cucumber together with it, so it passes through the leafy greens well and it doesn't make your juicer stuck. A little bit more ginger. Then if you like to have it sweeter, you are free to put there more apples, like sweet apples. We are using tart apples because we like to be more sugar-free. Now we have really nice green juice. It's really good to drink green juices after 10 minutes you make them, or within 10 minutes you make them, because they are packed with also enzymes which can be used by your cells to restore, regenerate, detoxify a bit. Yeah, you can consider the green juice as a big thank you for your body.
Okay.
So green juices are like a big thank you, especially in the morning, for your body. Honey, taste it. How is it?
Cheers.
Cheers. Bitter, but
sour.
nice. Sour, bitter, and if you want to add more sugar in there, which we are trying to avoid, then you can put there more apples and it will be just super
Yeah.
cool.